Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Hi guys, welcome back to Kitchen Colony, and this week I'll be sharing with you a simple Christmas morning breakfast in my household. If you'd like to see me do this, then follow me. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Christmas morning breakfast is special in a Jamaican household. It is a time when wonderful memories are created, and one such memory is my mother making fried dumpling in a special way. And as children, we enjoyed it so much, and every time I recreate this recipe, it just brings back such great memories with our family, extended family and friends. Now I'll be sharing with you some ideas that we use for Christmas morning breakfast in a Jamaican household. Now today we're going to make fried dumpling, but I'm not going to make it the traditional way. I'm going to show you a way my mother used to do it. Now in my bowl I have 2 cups of self-raising flour. You can use more depending on your family. And I'll be adding to this, even though it's self-raising, I don't know this brand, so I usually put a teaspoon of baking powder to, also to help. And then I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Now this is typical dough making, dumpling making. A pinch of salt, and that's about it. I don't want any butter because it would absorb too much oil. We blend everything together. If you want to add a little cornmeal, fine, but I don't want that. In my cup I have some tepid water, you'd call it, or room temperature water, and I'm going to start kneading. But first I'm using my spatula, but very carefully, don't want it too soft. At this point I'm going to use my hand because I need to know that the dough isn't too soft. Keep adding water until the bowl is clean. In this case we don't want a sticky dough. See, the bowl is clean now. Leave it for about a minute after. Now this is it. Now that is finished, I'm going to cover and put it away for about 5-10 minutes until I finish cleaning up the area. So a few minutes later, it's time to roll our dough. Now I'm going to cut the dough in half just to work with it easier, and I'm going to start to roll now. Flatten the dough. Now simple roll it to about ½ inch. And as I said, this is what my mother used to do as a child, and all she'll do is cut them into shapes, simple shapes like these. If you have a cookie cutter, then fine, that doesn't have to be perfect, and you just cut them like this. And as children we enjoy this so much. It was just a difference. As I said, if you have a cookie cutter, you can make different shapes. But I'm trying to make some triangles. Now she would stick them like this. Now we cover so that it doesn't dry out. Now here I have some oil already in the pot, and I'm going to test if the oil is hot. So I'm going to add a little piece of dough, and if it falls and then floats to the top, then you know your oil is ready. Now it has floated to the top. Now it's time to drop our dough in. It shouldn't take too long. Pierce them with a fork. It prevents it from getting those air bubbles, which usually burn when you fry, and most of the dough wouldn't fry, so we do that. Now we're ready to remove the dumpling, putting them on the plate. One more step that my mother used to do is to rub it with some butter to keep it soft. If you don't mind the crispy part, you don't need butter, but she usually do this. Soft and crispy fried dumplings, not done in the traditional way. And for those who don't like the inner part of the round ones, this is a great alternative. I will be preparing some ackee and saltfish to go along with the dumplings. You may eat this with whatever you like, and I'm serving mine with ackee and saltfish and also some escovitch fish. But you can have whatever, liver, cabbage, whatever you like. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.